Hello all! Today we are going to see how to make fluffy idlis in Instapot. Sounds easy, right? If you have ever ended up with rock hard, soggy or uncooked idlis, you're not alone. Today I am going to solve this problem once and for all.
The perfect idli batter should be not too runny or not too thick. Now let's start applying oil on all idli plates. Now let's fill the idli plate with idli batter. Let's quickly fill all the idli plates. Now let's add water in the Instapot for steaming. Let's place the idli plates carefully in the Instapot. Now let's close the Instapot lid and keep it in steam mode for 15 minutes. Make sure your Instapot is in vent mode. Ta-da! Now the fluffy, soft idli is ready. Let's make the idli to be cooled down for 5 minutes. The main advantage of cooking in Instapot is no need to stand for a long time while cooking. It automatically turns off when the cooking is finished. Just do some prep and forget about cooking. Let's taste the idli with delicious vegetable chutney. If you like to see this chutney recipe, click on the I button on top right corner. For more Instapot recipes, like, share, comment and subscribe.